To install Microsoft Clarity, we'll need to go to clarity.microsoft.com. To get started, you'll need to sign up. And once you complete the sign up, you'll be headed to the Clarity dashboard. For this video's purposes, I'll be signing in with my account since I already have one. Once on the Clarity dashboard, we'll click in the top left on the New Project button. This is where we'll fill out the website name, website URL, website industry, and then we'll add the new project. After we add the project, we'll be on the project dashboard. Fortunately, Clarity makes it pretty simple to connect with many of the content management systems that we work with, like Shopify, WordPress, Wix, and so on. To install via this method, we'll click into this first card and then select the platform that we're working with. Once selected, you'll be provided with an installation guide. You can follow this guide and it'll show you how to connect it with your platform. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do it with WordPress. If your platform isn't available on Clarity, you'll have to install it via code. I can show you how to do that in the video below. We'll head over to our WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins. In Plugins, we'll type Microsoft Clarity and select the Microsoft Clarity plugin. Once installed, we'll need to activate it, and then we'll need to sign in on the Clarity dashboard in the WordPress plugin. After you sign in and connect your Clarity account, you'll simply click this drop down and select the project that you created. After you're connected, you'll see a dashboard where all your data will live. You can view it on the Clarity web browser or the plugin. To ensure a successful connection, go back to Clarity and refresh your page.